Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making a very old-time favorite. Almost everybody in Hawaii knows this. It's a strong smelling dish, but it's delicious. And this is made with hamha, which is fermented shrimp. Ham in Cantonese means salty, and hamha means shrimp. So it is going to be made with a cabbage, and this is called ung choi, the Chinese name, or it's sometimes called swamp cabbage or water spinach. And the interesting thing about it is these are kind of small. In Hawaii, the stems are longer and it's bigger and hollow, and you can see how it is hollow here. And this is what the leaf looks like here. So what I've done is I've washed it and cut it up into maybe about 4-inch pieces. So now I have a wok that's heated up, and I have about half a pound of belly pork. You can use other kinds of pork too. Just put a little oil, a little bit of oil just to kind of loosen it up so it won't stick so much. Although the belly pork is fat, but still you need some grease here. I don't know if it's hot enough. Okay. So now I'm just gonna pour in the belly pork and brown it and let a lot of the fat come out. Then I'm gonna strain it. I took the meat out so I can drain out the excess oil. Okay, put it back on the stove. Now put the pork back in and add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And just saute this a few seconds so you have the nice aroma of the garlic. Now then, put in about a tablespoon of that fermented shrimp sauce. Now this is kind of strong smelling, so you gotta open your windows to air out the smell. Okay, just mix it up real good, and you can now smell the fermentation. Some people don't like the smell, but the Asians love this. And when you go around a neighborhood and you smell this, you know what they're cooking. Very simple, few ingredients. And now we're just going to add in the ung choi, or the cabbage. Now this will shrink quite a bit. So just pour it right in. And you can order this in restaurants too. It's very popular in Hawaii. Now to taste it. Piece of the pork. Really tasty. You can taste the pork and the shrimp and the smell. It's really good. And reminds me of old times when Mom used to make this, and this was everyday food. It wasn't anything fancy. But nowadays, people would like to eat this because it reminds them of childhood days. So you can make this so easily. You see, it only took a few minutes to do. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.